name's Cameron.Guthrie, Area Sales Manager for Ideal Industries, and today I'm showing off our new limited edition Ideal backpack with tool combo. This special limited edition National Championship backpack comes loaded with the starter kit of all the tools that you will need to complete the job, including a free Ideal water bottle, the piece de resistance of this kit. As you can see on the backpack, nice, heavy, stitched, quality 50-pound weight limit with a nice sturdy handle. On the outside you have a fish tape holder, pocket for miscellaneous items, the hammer holder on the side. Hammer does come included with this kit, as well as the water bottle holder and a tape holder. One difference you'll see with the Ideal backpack is that the bottom is reinforced. However, you don't have that hard, waterproof edge along the bottom that's just going to rub into your back. Our Bagger backpack has a pad all the way down to make sure that it's a nice, comfortable wear, as well as gives you airflow when it's up against your back. With this kit, you get the following items. Pair of 8-inch diagonal cutters, number 2 square, 1 1/4, or excuse me, a quarter flathead, 3/16. Also, as you will notice, the zippers go all the way down to the bottom. This would make it so there are no lost areas for any tools or head bits that will get stuck in the bottom. You have a nice opening there so that the entire backpack is user-friendly. You don't need pliers. 45, 625 strippers. Torque and groove pliers. Phillips No. 2. Combo head, which is great for outlets and stuff. Linesman pliers. And then the 2018 limited edition Electrical Championship Ideal Bender bottle opener. The back cover of the backpack, nice padded pocket that can be used for computer or anything that is fragile. This backpack is now available through any Norfolk wire distributor, or you can reach out with the contact information to myself directly below. Thank you so much for your time.